Hello everyone, this is Evan from SVA Hardware. Welcome to our video. Today I'm going to introduce this brass hinge. The model number is SVA 113. And this one is for glass to glass, a movable hinge and with a mirror polished surface. And now I'm going to show you how it works after installation. Let's go. We can see it works really well with no noise, really smooth. And you can open it by a really big angle. And we need two pieces of this hinge for one movable door. So if you are interested in this brass hinge, please contact us and we will send you more details about it. Thank you.